to remove this screw and those four, the fan motor. You want to unhook that. To get this off is interesting. You need to do it real quick. That's CPU. There. There's numbers. There's a 1, 2, 3, 4. The whole thing should be loose now. There we go. Loose enough. Pull the motor out. Now the heatsink will come out. Usually it leaves the fan behind, and then right there it shows it's not too dirty on the inside there, which is not bad. What we're gonna do, let's pop the fan up because your motherboard did not come with this. And then we need your CPU. That's the whole brain of the computer. So what we're gonna do is find the right size flat tip, which this may work. No, it's not. It's too small. You want the biggest one that'll fit. There we go. Can we change tips? To get this out is very simple. There's an unlock and a lock. You just turn it to unlock, and then that chip comes right out. Just like that. Now we're done. Now to reassemble, I do everything in reverse.